Welcome to Meaps Hub, your go-to place for learning Python coding. Are you ready to start your coding journey? You've come to the right place. At Meaps Hub, we make learning Python simple, fun, and accessible to everyone. Whether you're a beginner or want to sharpen your skills, we've got you covered. Our goal is simple: to help people of all ages and backgrounds learn Python programming. No complex jargon, no overwhelming lessons. Just easy-to-follow tutorials designed to help you step by step. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just curious about coding, this channel is for you. Coding is an essential skill in today's world, and we want to make it as fun and accessible as possible. Why start with Python? Python is one of the easiest and most powerful programming languages out there. It's used by beginners and experts alike, and it's the foundation for many fields like web development, data science, and artificial intelligence. So, what can you expect from Meaps Hub? Step-by-step tutorials, fun coding challenges, hands-on projects, tips and tricks to make coding easy and enjoyable. We're here to guide you at every step. Exciting content is coming soon. We'll start with Python basics, then move on to real-world projects and problem-solving. And who knows? We might even explore other programming languages in the future. Let's take a quick look at Python in action. With just one line of code, we can print a message on the screen. Simple, right? This is just the beginning. Are you ready to start your coding journey? Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Leave a comment below and tell us what you'd love to learn next. Thanks for visiting Meaps Hub. Let's make coding simple and fun together. See you in the next video.